Hi guys, I have some questions about DigiPen. Do you think you can help me out?
Yeah, sure.
Great, let's start by introducing yourselves.
Hi, my name is Roy. I'm recently graduated from Real-Time Interactive Simulation in 2025.
Yeah, my name is Jess and I'm from the same course as him, RTIS, and also graduated from 2025.
So RTIS, can you describe this degree in 3 words?
I would say that it's challenging, rewarding, and insightful.
I would say it's tough but fun.
And real-time interactive simulation. What does real-time mean?
So real-time is something like instantaneous, or at least it feels instantaneous. Such as when you play a game, you press a button, and you can actually see the changes happening in real time.
Yep, exactly like you said. Real time, same time. I move the joystick, the thing moves on the screen.
And what is something about this program that surprises people?
So in our program, we actually develop games from scratch. So what actually surprises people is the things that's required in order to develop these games. The mathematics, the physics, and the programming. And of course, having a solid game idea that piques your users' interests.
What was the hardest part of that for you?
I would say the hardest part is the mathematics. Myself, I'm not very good at mathematics, but the professors in DigiPen actually helped me a lot to help me have a strong foundation so that I can apply in my game development projects.
Besides game projects, what other kind of projects will you work on?
There's other projects like machine learning project, VR, mobile development, and most of the projects have about 4 people in a team. It can go all the way up to 12 people in the game development project where you work with students from different disciplines like art and UX design. So you can really experience what is it like working in a multidisciplinary team.
Roy, anything to add to that?
So he mentioned earlier up to 12 people. So that is our game engine development project where we develop a game engine, custom game engine. And being in RTIS also meant that we have computer graphics project.
Cool. And what were your favorite subjects in school?
I love C++, especially when it's taught by my favorite professor, Professor Prasanna Gali. The way he teaches is just so interesting. You will understand it when you attend his lesson.
What do you like about C++?
I think C++ is very flexible. It's a very powerful tool that you can use to create a wide range of software. So it's literally like a magic. Whatever you can think of, you can create it.
And Roy, what was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite is computer graphics. So in computer graphics, we actually get to create images and digital content by applying the mathematics and the programming that we learn.
Are there any RTIS stereotypes you want to debunk?
I think most people would generally think that RTIS students do not have much of a life outside of our coursework. But I beg to differ. The course is challenging, but it also is very rewarding, and the course has actually been designed such that we can progressively apply as we learn. And it actually built our foundation along the way. So do not worry about that.
Any program highlights you want to share?
I would say the Overseas Immersion Program, the OIP. So I actually went to Bilbao, and it's very interesting where we get to experience what is it like living in a different country as well as studying. We get to experience teachers that are from a different country. So we actually learn about their culture as well as their teaching styles.
So myself, I was from the Student Management Committee, aka the SMC. So when I was doing my service over there, I planned a lot of events for the students, one of which was the Halloween night event. So this really gives you the chance to explore things outside of your studies, your curriculum, work with the other committee member, and make the journey more fulfilling for everybody. So I would encourage you to join the SMC events or even apply for a committee position if you can.
What was your role in the SMC?
I was the president.
Time for real talk. Can you pass RTIS if you skip classes?
Well, in the university level, we actually have to take ownership of our own learning. So if you happen to miss any classes or you skip any classes, at least look for your professors for help or maybe your friends. But pro tip though, try not to skip the first year of course, as it's going to be very important in the later on.
No wonder I see you in class all the time.
Oh yeah, I see you too.
Okay, last question. If I wanted to join RTIS, what is your best tip for me?
I would say in order to survive, you need grit, and in order to thrive, you actually need to have grit. You need to be greedy in terms of learning. You need to learn eagerly. You have to seek out new things always. And in our school, we actually have this common term. It's called the plus ultra mentality, where we actually go above and beyond what was set out in the requirements.
Well, I think to survive in the RTIS environment, or even to do better than most people, you should be curious, optimistic, and also excited about software engineering. All these three qualities will push yourself beyond your limit, and you can solve any bugs that comes in your way.
Okay, and that's all I had to play. Thank you guys.
Thank you, bye-bye.